Disclaimer. All contents, ideas, opinions, and information shared or implied herein are for informational and educational purposes only. Hello everybody, welcome to Sunny the Eggman YouTube channel. In this video, we will be revealing on the fundamental analysis and strategic review for Mapletree Logistic Trust. Before starting, please help to share and subscribe this channel, as your support is our biggest motivation to continue on producing quality contents. Mapletree Logistic Trust, SGX trading code M44U, is Singapore's first Asia-focused logistics real estate investment trust since 2005. Its manager, Mapletree Logistics Trust Management Limited, is a wholly owned subsidiary of Mapletree Investments Private Limited. To date, Mapletree Logistic Trust's portfolio diversified across income-producing logistic real estates in Singapore, Hong Kong, Japan, China, Australia, South Korea, Malaysia, Vietnam and India. As of the 31st of March 2021, the portfolio of Mapletree Logistics Trust comprised of 163 logistic properties, which valued at 10.8 billion Singapore dollars, an increase of approximately 21%, mainly due to acquisitions and capital expenditure. The geographical breakdown by net lettable area shows that 31% are located in China, 28% are located in Singapore and 8% are located in South Korea. Its market capitalization is approximately 8.5 billion Singapore dollars currently. Firstly, we will be looking at Mapletree Logistic Trust financial statements for fundamental analysis. It is clearly seen that the revenue for this REIT is steadily improving from 2017 to 2021, except a slightly lower growth rate of 8% in 2020. Its revenue recorded at 561 million Singapore dollars as of the 31st of March 2021, which increased by 14% from 491 million Singapore dollars as of the 31st of March 2020. In terms of net property income, the year-on-year improvement by 13.8% in the 31st of March 2021 indicates that this REIT is not impacted by COVID-19 pandemic. This is in line with the overall logistic industry, which have proved to be resilient. The improved performance is mainly due to higher revenue from existing properties, contributions from accretive acquisitions completed over the past 2 years, and maiden contribution from Mapletree Aoluo Logistics Park Phase 2 redevelopment, which was completed in May 2020. To add on, the distribution per unit also increased from 8.14 cents in 2020 to 8.32 cents in 2021. For NAV, it is also slightly improved from 1 Singapore dollar and 21 cents in 2020 to 1 Singapore dollar and 33 cents in 2021. It is partially due to valuation uplift of 184 million Singapore dollars for the investment portfolio, which proves that strong investor demand for logistics assets. Nonetheless, things to take note on the financial results include continuous free cash flow since 2019 to 2021, high debt to cash flow and relatively low current ratio at 0.76 in 2021. This indicates that the REIT current liabilities is more than current assets, and it might have difficulties in meeting its short-term obligations. Now we will be revealing on the strategic review on this REIT stock. The stock price is trading at 2 Singapore dollars and 7 cents as of the 23rd of August 2021, which is approximately 1.56 times of its NAV. The stock price is trading at relatively similar price as compared to 1 year ago at 2 Singapore dollars and 9 cents. If we look into the stock price trend in 5 years' time, Mapletree Logistic Trust shows a significant improvement from 1 Singapore dollar and 6 cents in August 2016 to 2 Singapore dollars and 7 cents in August 2021, which is a big jump of 95% in 5 years' time. This is mainly due to high-demand warehouse and distribution centers driven by the rise of e-commerce during COVID-19 pandemic. For this reason, Mapletree Logistic Trust has reached its peak at 2 Singapore dollars and 15 cents in August 2020, which is a strike as compared to an average of 1 Singapore dollar and 25 cents over the past 5 years. On the other hand, the distribution per unit for this REIT is also improving from 7.4 cents in 2016 to 8.3 cents in 2021. However, the dividend yield is decreasing from 7% in 2016 to 4.3% in 2021. Lastly, 2021-2022 Quarter 1 financial results released on the 19th of July 2021 indicates relatively healthy performance of this REIT. Revenue improved by 23.7% from Q1 2022 versus Q1 2021, mainly due to acquisitions completed in South Korea and India. In terms of NAV, it records at $1.32 as of the 30th of June 2021 as compared to $1.33 as of the 31st of March 2021. The slight difference is due to net translation loss from various currencies. Next, the portfolio occupancy is showing improvement from 97.5% in previous quarter to 97.8% in current quarter, mainly due to higher occupancy rate in South Korea and China. Also, Mapletree Logistic Trust is showing their diversification strategy by having 752 tenants, whereby approximately 3/4 of the portfolio is serving customer-related sector. Their debt maturity profile is also well staggered across 8 years, with proportion of 20% or less repayments in a year. Based on overall financial results, the performance of this REIT remains resilient despite COVID-19 pandemic. However, taking into consideration of some of their downsides in financials, would suggest to buy this stock when the price is 1.1 to 1.3 times of its NAV to be more prudent. The minimum holding period for this REIT is 2 to 5 years. Given consistent dividend payout, the annualized return for this REIT in long run is approximately 15% to 18%. Hope you can have some valuable insights on Mapletree Logistic Trust after watching this video. Do comment and share with us your thoughts on the above points. Stay tuned and remember to share, like and subscribe our channel. I'm Sunny the Eggman. Goodbye.